Good morning, students. Today we will learn what are isotopes. Before learning isotope, we will learn some technical terms. The very first is the atomic number. That is equal to number of electrons or number of protons. Now next is mass number. Is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. It means total subatomic particle in the nuclei. Now, in this way, suppose we are putting the symbol of atom, we can say that hydrogen is 1. In general, what is going on? We used to write in technically X, that is symbol of element. Then here we will write atomic number and at the top we will write mass number. So suppose the atomic number is here and here mass number. For example, we are writing carbon. In the carbon 6 protons are there and 6 neutrons are there. So we will write 6C12 in this manner. In the same manner for oxygen. Oxygen we will write 8O and 16. So what is 6? This 6 is atomic number. What is 12? This 12 is mass number. Now, there are some elements, please note down. You have to note such things so you can prepare small notes. That's why I am writing this side. Meanwhile, note down. Some of the atoms are in such a manner that their atomic number is similar but mass number is dissimilar. The example with us, that is 6C12, 6C14. We have same atomic number. So symbol of the element will be similar. Then dissimilar mass number. So at the top the digit will be different. So these are known as isotopes. In other words, I will explain again. Isotopes are the atoms in which atomic number is similar and mass number is different. If atomic number is similar, their symbol will remain same. The best known example for you, that is hydrogen. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen are well known. In general, these are represented as 1H1. So 1 is atomic number, this above one, that is mass number. Then 1H2 and 1H3. Okay. This is known as protium. This is known as deuterium. And third one, it is known as tritium. If we will find number of electron, proton and neutron in all 3 in such manner, then number of electron, number of proton, number of neutron. Obvious, 1 is here, so number of electron is 1. Proton is also 1. Then for this number of neutron will be above digit mass number minus atomic number is equal to number of neutron. So number of neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. So it will come as 0. For deuterium, electron, here 1, so you will write 1. Proton is also 1, but neutron is 1. For tritium, number 1, that is electron, that is for proton, and here 2 digit will come, so 2 neutrons are here. In the same manner, earlier we have studied about alpha particle. Alpha particles are the particles known as atomic helium atoms nuclei. So their representation as twice He4, as they have 2 electrons and 4, that is the mass number. Some more examples of isotopes. That one example, that is 6C12 and 6C14 you have seen. In the same manner, for chlorine, there are 2 isotopes are there, that is 17Cl35 and 17Cl37. This digit 35, 37 or 12, 14 you cannot write by own. These are the practically determined fact about the number of proton and number of neutron. So whatever given in the book, you have to follow that one. Okay. Now there are the isotopes which are very useful for us. For example, uranium isotope. Uranium isotope is a very good radioactive element and it is used as fuel in a nuclear reactor. In the same manner, some isotopes of iodine that is used for the disease goiter. In the same manner, some more isotopes are very useful. So you need to read carefully about the uses of isotopes. In the same manner, for old fossil fuels, suppose one want to determine the age of that fossil that millions year पहले बन चुका है या billions year पहले. For that purpose, carbon 14 is used. Along with in the same queue, some more isotopes are used for cancer. In the chemotherapy, such type of isotopes are used. That's all about the isotopes. Okay. Here also, please do the calculation of number of neutron for this Cl and number of neutron for this Cl. One more thing I want to say, as number of proton and number of electron is same, their electronic configuration will be similar. That is the reason that their chemical properties will be similar. For isotopes, always chemical properties will be similar due to similar electronic configuration. But physical property, there will be a little bit difference because their atomic mass is different. So there is a very good question for you, that why for the isotopes chemical properties are similar. You need to give answer that as number of proton and neutron is similar in isotopes, their electronic configuration will be similar. So their chemical properties which are mainly depending on the number of electrons in the valence shell, so they will have similar chemical properties. Thank you.